Our summer school is designed to foster creative development of students, but also we hope that they will have a lot of fun and make new friendships, while also honing their technique and their artistry and musicality.
It's been really encouraging to see the level of growth that happens from the Monday when they arrive to the Friday when we get ready to do the presentations.
It's a fantastic summer school because you get a variety of different teachers from all different genres here.
Some of the stuff is challenging. They've never had an opportunity to work in some of the idioms before, but they jump to the opportunity. They seem to bite the bait really well.
We bring the students out of their comfort zone. We teach them new genres of dance. They learn about different types of movement that maybe they had not been exposed to before. Sometimes it changes their thoughts. They may come into it thinking they really love or they want to become a ballet dancer. Suddenly they're exposed to maybe a different type of contemporary work and they think, wow, that could be something that I could go towards.